Hey there, iPhone enthusiasts. If you're anything like me, your calendar is packed with meetings, reminders, and events from work, family, and everything in between. But what if I told you that viewing all your events on your iPhone calendar is easier than ever in 2025? In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the steps to see everything at a glance, so you never miss a beat. Let's dive right in. First things first, grab your iPhone and unlock it. Head to your home screen and tap on the calendar app icon. It's that colorful one that looks like a monthly grid. Once you're in, you'll see your default view, which might be day, week, month, or year. But to view all events comprehensively, I recommend switching to the list view. It's perfect for seeing everything laid out chronologically without any clutter. To do that, look at the bottom of the screen for the tabs. Tap on List, if it's not already selected. Now, you'll see a streamlined list of all your upcoming and past events. But wait, what if some events are missing? That's where iCloud comes in. Make sure your iCloud is synced by going to Settings greater than, your name, greater than iCloud greater than and toggling on Calendars. This ensures all your events from different devices or accounts show up. If you have multiple calendars, like work, personal, or subscriptions, you can toggle them on or off at the top of the calendar app. Just tap the Calendars button to select or deselect them. For a broader view, you can also use the search bar at the top to find specific events or scroll through the list to browse everything. One cool tip for 2025. With the latest iOS updates, you can now add widgets to your home screen for quick glances at your events. Go to your home screen, long press an empty space, tap the plus icon, and search for calendar widgets. It's a game changer. There you have it. Viewing all your events on iPhone calendar is straightforward and efficient. Give it a try, and you'll wonder how you managed without it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.